Obviously the battery goes in here. Needs to be fully charged. I don't think this one is, but there we go. Pops out. It's good and clean in there. Put the battery back in. Puts it back in, no problem. It does have lights if you want them. And headlights, they work nice. This has to be in the full upright position on both sides. And to engage the blade, I mean, it'll go without it, but to engage the blade, you need to push this down, or pull this back, and then push. Oh, sorry, hold on. God damn it. And then pull it back. Oh. Alright, there you go. Sorry about that. And then I've got to switch hands. Alright. So that's got to be down and with this up. And then this is your accelerator. And that's your speed. And off you go. Hauls ass. There you go.